Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been super long that I have uploaded any video. So I was thinking to restart my YouTube journey with this self and health awareness video. Before jumping into the video, I would like to give a disclaimer that I am not a doctor or any specialist who can give a detailed advice on this. But I'm going to share about my story, how I got infected, how I got treated, what were the symptoms and how to avoid it. Let's first understand what is UTI. Urinary tract infection, or in short UTI, is infection in any part of the urinary system, that is kidney, bladder, ureters and urethra. I would like to mention one thing here, that many a times most of the women don't feel comfortable to share this kind of information with people, and they sometimes ignore the symptoms in the beginning and later on it becomes very serious and dangerous. So what are the symptoms of UTI? The first very common and prominent symptoms will be the burning sensation while you pee. Second symptoms, a frequent and very intense urge of peeing. In my case, I used to feel in every 5 minutes and it's a horrible feeling. Sometimes fever can happen. You can feel really tired. Your body can feel shaken. The color of the pee also changes to cloudy or dark, and the smells also change. Another very prominent symptoms will be lower abdomen pain or lower back pain. There are many types of UTI and the symptoms vary according to that. So last year I got infected in UTI, maybe because of my lifestyle habits or less self-awareness. I was working in a hotel as an intern and I had to work for 12 to 13 hours straight. In those days, I was using the public washroom and the hotel washroom, and I had to share the washroom with so many people, and it may look clean from outside, but you never know because a lot of people are using it, and in those cases the chance of getting the infection becomes higher. So I started getting all the symptoms, and I wasn't sure that what is happening with me. This is a very weird kind of symptoms, and I was also a little bit of ashamed of sharing this information with my friends. So I didn't tell any of my friends and I was ignoring my symptoms. And I thought I'll be fine and I just need to drink some water and I just need to sleep and I'll be fine over time. But with time, the symptoms and the whole situation got worse, and the pain and the uneasiness was just too much for me, and I thought of seeing a doctor by then. So I took an appointment to a gynecologist. I visited her. She asked me to do some urine tests and some other tests as well. I found out that I got this infection, and I went through a proper diagnosis and medication, and I got fully treated. People who stays in a hostel, PG, go to school, office and use a lot of public washroom, I think they can understand my situation. According to doctor, there are some other reasons that can cause this infection, like unprotected intercourse, not maintaining proper hygiene, not changing your underwear frequently, and not cleaning them properly. Study says that diabetic patients are also prone to this infection. The good news is this infection can be fully treated with proper diagnosis, test and medication. Doctor will prescribe you exact antibiotics with some other medicine that will help you feel better. And apart from that, you must drink lots of water, because water just helps your body to flush out all the toxins and bacteria out of your body. One thing I'd like to mention here, that don't ever think to take medicines without a proper prescription or doctor's permission. Even a friend can ask you to take a medicines because maybe she also have gone through similar kind of situation. But let me tell you one thing, that different medicines works differently with people. One medicine that works for your friend may not work for you. So please don't take risk with your body and don't take any medicines that you think may work. Now I'm gonna share some of my healthy habits and tips that I have been following afterwards, and that actually helped me a lot to stay away from the infection. Number 1, always empty your bladder. Whenever you feel the urge of peeing, don't hold yourself back, don't rush. Because while you are holding back your pee, you are holding back lots of bacteria inside you. Always clean yourself up after you use a washroom. Drink lots of water. Next, wear a cotton underwear because it helps your body to breathe and soaks up your sweat easily. If you want, you can clean yourself up with a intimate hygiene wash like V-Wash or Clean and Dry. I use the Clean and Dry, but it's not mandatory. You can simply wash yourself with lukewarm water because it works just fine. You can also carry a disinfectant toilet spray like P-Safe or any other brand, and whenever you are using toilet outside your house, you can use that. I'm using a different brand. Currently I can't remember the name. I bought it from Amazon, so if I find the link, I'll put it in the description box in case you want to check it out. So that's all the information I wanted to share with you guys, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe to my channel. Please share my video with all of your girlfriends. You never know, maybe someone out there is searching for this kind of information and maybe this video will help them. If you have gone through similar kind of situation, you can write down in the comment section and you can give me advice as well. We are all hoping to go back to a normal life after this pandemic ends. We are going to go to school, college, pub, restaurant, everywhere. But please don't forget that there are still viruses and bacteria out there apart from COVID-19, and they are still very, very harmful. So take care of your health, take care of your body, and try to observe your body, because if something goes wrong, your body always gives you symptoms, and don't ignore them, okay? I will try to come back super soon. Until then, take care. Love you. Bye.